Install the wheel with steel rim. Press 9 and go to next step. Press 2 to enter the language list. Press the key with the language number. Press the 8 to enter the system setting mode, and the keyword's input frame will appear. Input the keyword 321. Press the confirm button to enter the setting menu. Press the number button 1 to enter the user's self-calibration program. Install wheel which is balanced. Enter the parameter, pull the scale out and rotate it to the rim edge, and then the value of A, D will be inputted automatically. After the measurement of AD, rotate the wheel-wide scale to the outside rim edge, and the value of B will be inputted automatically. Press the Start button to run the machine. After machine stop, rotate the wheel by hand. When the column top end turns to red, clamp the 100-gram weights at the 12 o'clock position to the outer rim of the wheel following the illustration on the screen. Press the Start button to run the machine. After machine stop, remove the 100-gram weights, rotate the wheel by hand, then the unbalanced position indicating column top end turns red. Clamp the 100-gram weights at 12 o'clock position to the inner side of the wheel following the indication on the screen. Press the Start button to run the machine. After machine stop, the screen will show self-calibration is successful. Then press any button to return mode selection interface. M1 mode. Enter the parameter, pull the scale out and rotate it to the rim edge, and then the value of A, D will be inputted automatically. After the measurement of AD, rotate the wheel-wide scale to the outside rim edge, and the value of B will be inputted automatically. Press the Start button to run the machine. After the wheel balancer breaks, the result will be shown on the screen. Rotate the wheel by hand and make outer side position indicating column top end turns red. And clamp the equal weights at the 12 o'clock position of the outer side. Rotate the wheel by hand and make the inner side position indicating column top end turns red. And clamp the equal weights at the 12 o'clock position of the inner side. After setting the weights, run the wheel balancer again. And results will be shown. M2 mode. Clean the tire. Select the most suitable cone for the tire center hole. Install the wheel with aluminum rim. Input the wheel parameter. Pull the scale out and rotate handle to make its head to touch the rim's wedge sticking side of the inner side. And then the value of A, D will be inputted automatically. Then put the scale further to the wedge sticking side of the outer side and rotate the scale to make handle head touch the rim. The value of 8 plus will be inputted automatically. Press the Start button to run the machine. Rotate the wheel by hand. Make the inner side position indicating column top end turns red. Tear down the film on adhesive tape and insert weights to handle head clamping slot with sticky surface up. And keep the wheel's position. Pull out the electronic scale until the sticking position indicating part of the inner side become full green, and then the two conditions above are both met. The buzzer will make sound. Rotate the wheel by hand. Make outer side position indicating column top end turns red, and also the outer side sticking position indicating bar become full green. Sticking with an outer side rim but with the electronic scale. Press start to run the machine. The result will be shown on the screen. Plug heated mode in mode of M2. After getting the testing result by running the machine, press the 7 to enter this function. The screen will indicate the input amount of the wheel spokes. And press the number button to input. Then press the start button to confirm. Automatic scale out to the wheel spoke. Rotate the scale handle. Make the handle head touch rim. Rotate the wheel to make the handle head behind any wheel spoke. Keep the wheel's position. Press the start button to confirm. Then pull back the scale. When screen shows two divided values of the outside, manually rotate the wheel to make two and red. Then stick weights on rim correctly with scale. Press start to running the machine. Result is shown after break.